Riley's life was neatly planned, every moment accounted for. But in a single week, everything unraveled. A sudden job loss and a breakup left Riley adrift in chaos. Plans fell apart, and the future seemed like a blank page. Days turned into weeks. Riley tried to regain control, but found it impossible to focus. The mess in the apartment mirrored the mess in Riley's mind. Friends reached out, but shame kept Riley from responding. Then, one morning, something changed. The sunlight fell on the cluttered desk, and Riley decided to clean just one corner. It wasn't much, but it was enough to spark hope. From that moment, Riley embraced the power of small steps. Each day brought a new challenge, sending an email, going for a walk, or reaching out to an old friend. These small victories added up, bringing a sense of clarity and purpose. Months later, Riley landed a job that felt like more than work. It was a passion. Life didn't just return to normal, it became something better. Through the chaos, Riley discovered clarity and strength. Riley's story is a reminder chaos is not the enemy. It's the start of transformation. One small step at a time, clarity emerges. If you're facing chaos, remember, your journey to clarity might be just one step away.